The recovery took it on tax policy and economics recovery. The economics recovery remained fragile. Roboting tax policy may help. The latest stringing of official number, including almost record GST collection, healthy direct tax uh, inflow, strong manufacturing and export provide some confidence that the economy has launched back from the danger zone for the second time in less than a year owing to the COVID-19 pandemic, but the healing is still too uneven. GST revenue in October for transaction done in September crossing 1.3 lakh crore. The financial minister believes this kitty would have been higher of sales of car and products depend on cheap were not affected by a shortage. If September activities reflect pre-festival stocking, the actual festival spending October November may keep GST number purport up, but it would be critical to wait for the post celebration tragedy. October has offered mixed signal so far. Manufacturing has since a surge in output and new order domestic and global, but continue to see job as per the IHS market purchasing manager index. Moreover, manufacturing reveal Vietnam and Indonesia have seen a sharper rise. Diesel consumption, a better indicator of commercial throughput, has been lower than October 2020, while credit growth, rail, passenger revenue, and traffic congestion have been inspired. India export have held strong, but the import bill is rising too as coal fuel and enable oil price shoot up. A harrowing fertilizer crisis could it dampen rabi crop and hit farm sector growth, while that could trip rural demand. Rising oil price pose a persistent threat to growth. One understand a resources strained government performance preference for certain non-discretionary revenue flows such as those arising from fuel consumption over less create certain and this certainly consumption revenue based on household aspirants and confidence level about the immediate future, but the longer term impact of the formal constitution, the latter would be worse as it also put paid to hope of a sustainable investment pick up growth engine will remain throttled rather than go full throttled toward the central $5 trillion goal for the economic unless consumption and investment bounce back with Wednesday token tax cut on petrol and diesel. The government is clearly changing take from narrative about the high fuel taxes funding free vaccine and welfare scheme that can only hold legs for some distance. Whether this is prompted by the recent electoral stakeback or in anticipation of the bigger state poll ahead, it may need to follow up with more tax cut as global price are expected to firm up further. The urban poor have been hit the hardest by the high inflation prevailing since the pandemic on onset in 2020. They, along with the much celebrated India middle class, have the highest prospectively for upward spending on consumer durable homes, two wheeler, and so on. Beyond a point, people would also like to be self reliant, just as the national experience to be, and the would trigger a virtual cycle for the economy.